it's me and Naya here. And first, before the main thing, by the way, did you guys notice my hat? I might have not given you enough time to, but oh well. It was crazy hat and hair day today, and well, this is my hat. It's not actually a hat. It's a headband and a hat, but it looked cute. Some people were saying that, like, hey, are you the Mad Hatter? And I'm like, no, I'm not. So, any references? Oh well. Let's get to the main thing. Anyway. Oh my god, what on earth is this? Oh my god. It's another LOL surprise, but another one of those special ones. It says LOL surprise. Fairies. Ooh la la. Make fairy wings. Oh my god, they look so cute. I literally am obsessed. Make fairy wings. Add sparkle. Add water. That seems so cool, guys. I'm so excited. Let's open this and see what we have here. Well, this is really special. This is a special one. Like, sure, we've had mermaids, princess dress, and now fairies. We're getting the whole sequel of these kinds of dolls. We're getting a sequel of them. And if you don't know what sequel means, it's practically just to be continued definition. And it's the continuation. Like a series. Oh my god, bro. It always does this where it doesn't open properly. Open up. Open up. Little thingy, open. Alright, now the second one. Let's do this part side, why not? I kind of want to do it normally, so I'm gonna try to peel it normally. Never mind. Peeling it normally is like a really hard task, though. Yeah, nah, I give up. I'm trying to peel it normally. Come on, open up, bro. Open up! Open up! Go to another part of it. Ooh, this seems cool. Nice! It's getting big. Oh, it's getting smaller. Getting smaller. Oh, bigger, bigger. Nice, nice. Oh god, this is taking a while. I have like shreds of the packaging all over this desk, bro. All of this was shredding from that. Anyway, get away, get away. All right, let's actually open this now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh. All right, that's fine. All right. I need a moment to process. I just went there for. Stop! I just dropped one. Finally, okay, I got that. Not finally, because that took like 2 seconds. Literally 2 seconds. Anyway, let's look in this instruction manual. Oh my god. It shows what fairies you can get. I don't want to guess the type that I'm getting, but guys, I love all of these. These are so cute. I like some. I like this one, this one, this one, and this one maybe, or this one, or this one. Basically, any of those, but these two. I'm not saying they're ugly, but they're not my favorites, okay? They're not my favorites. They might be yours though, and I'm fine with that. Anyway, let's see what's in this. Anyway, yeah, all right. What on earth is this supposed to be? What is this supposed to be? What is this? Huh? I really don't know what that is. We'll find out later. I assume this seems to be something very diamond shaped. Well, I was right about diamond shaped. It is literally diamond shaped. Oh, remember? Oh, remember that princess video? Well, this isn't a like substance, except that they're slightly bigger chunks. Like literally, don't you see the resemblance? You see the resemblance? If you didn't see that video, I'm sorry that I keep referencing to that video, but oh wow. The princess video is where I made these kind of dolls that have special effects with a princess dress thingy, and it was a part-time a disaster. Still looks pretty though. A princess video is part-time a disaster. Oh, tiara! That's cute. I like this tiara. Tiara. Oh, for goodness sake. I need to get my stuff together. Alright. What the? Are these wing templates? They seem to be. I mean, these kind of look like wings. And kind of looks somewhat like a template. Okay. What's in here? No, more like, no, what's in here? What? Guys, this is like a protective mat kind of thing where you place all the wings in water and stuff. Oh my goodness. Yes! Opened all of these stuff. Opening stuff that you did not. Oh, this looks like a wand, doesn't it? This looks like a heart wand. Come on, open up, heart wand. Like, I get that you're a heart wand, but like, oh my god. Guys, this is no color. It's a tube. This whole thing's literally a tube, bro. No, like, this kind of looks like a straw, honestly. It kind of looks like a straw. Or a mini cup. If you hold it this way. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, but oh well, that seems fun. By the way, there's this template that like tells us how to place the doll stuff. To place everything. Do they want the brand or issues? So they want this piece to be here. I'm just following the instructions. Sorry that I'm taking a while to follow the instructions, but yeah, wing templates. I think this is for this side, right? Sorry, wing template issues. Wing template issues. Yeah, wing templates. Goodness gracious. This is a lot of work. Anyway, I can tell this is going to be a lot of work. Oh my god, this dress is so pretty. This dress is so pretty. I love this. It's so cute. And it's my favorite color too, pink. Yeah, pink. Why? In the sequel, every single time, the doll's doing the splits. Even ones that are not part of the sequel are doing the splits. Wow, flexible fairy, good job. You're a very flexible fairy. Oh, now it's doing ballet. Oh, it be doing ballet now. Now it's just point toad, point toad, point toad, point toad, point toad. Anyway, that's so weird. Well, give you your crown. Accept that you're a fairy princess, bro. Accept it. Accept it. Should I give it a dress? I'm not gonna give her, or should I? I think I should, because like when the wings are attached, it's gonna be like basically impossible to put the dress on. Like that princess video, it was so hard getting that dress on. It was so hard. Like I had to, I needed help for that. All right, this is very adorable. I like it, honestly. It looks cute. Now. All right, we opened all this. We opened everything. And we have all these stuff that we need, except for this, which shows water and a circle around that water spot and another circle around that. Oh, we'll see. Wow. Wow. We got a popular one called Instagold. Yeah. Her name's Instagold. And she has pink and yellow wings. My favorite one would have been Snowflake. Like my most favorite one, but I'm not saying, at least I got the ones that I didn't really not appreciate that much, so that's good. All right, guys, let's get on to the instruction manual and see what we have to do. So first, break, oh my God, bro. Oh, so this one is like a, you know those things that squirt water? Not the water guns. I don't know what it's called. I do not know, but we got that. And it's actually supposed to be used for water. Hard time. All right, so first it says, break the tip off the pink one. Where's the tip? Which one's the tip? I'm assuming this part because it has this line. Oh, yeah, that was a tip. Pour it into the nails. Guys, I don't know what to do. This part's not the correct side. Oh, I think I know what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be doing it like this? No, I'm supposed to be doing it like this. Sorry, issues. That won't work well. This is where you pour it in though. It's supposed to be here, bro. Sorry, break the tip of the pink off. Now, nice. Let's get to this. I'm having issues placing it on the template. Why? Why do I have trouble placing it on the template? Bro, why do I have trouble on the template? Yeah, this is bad. Well, we got it on the sides that are required. I will put it here in the dark. I'm just making my own template at this point. Alright, so now it says pour it. Can I pour it anywhere into the wings? Like, honestly, I kind of want to. I'll pour it anywhere, like, I want to. I think it's like an equalizing trick, so I know what I'm doing. I might go a little over obsessive with the paint, but I don't think I will too much because obviously we don't have enough pink for the whole thing because there's a secondary color. Oh my god, bro. Why am I so scared? Maybe from situations last time, because the dolls, it kind of like, I kind of messed it up and overdid it. Yeah. Why not a little pink speckles where they don't have to be? But why not? Okay. Now let's copy the same thing on the second wing, because I don't want the issues to begin. Oh no, I overdid it. I learned nothing from last time. I learned nothing. I literally learned nothing. I don't think I learned anything. Yeah. I'm struggling a little bit, but yeah. It's on template. Why did I pour it on this? Oh well, I guess that's what I was planning. Stop doing that, girl. I have to stop doing that. Alright, now let's just pour a little bit here, get a little bit there. Nice. Alright, we got that part. Now, this little crevice thing. Beautiful. This looks cute. Actually, I'm honestly liking this. Oh! I need to stop going a little overboard with the pouring, bro. I'm going a little overboard with the pouring. Okay, I need to just put it outside or just somewhere else on the top. Like, I know I'm a little bit of a... I know that I'm a little clumsy with these kind of things, but like, never knew that it was this bad. The clumsiness has a sequel. Anyway, finally got part of the wings done. Still has like half the thing left, so might as well. Bottom part will have to. I'm going to open it. I should stop like trying to over pour it, because when I try to pour it normally, it just goes really bad. Okay, that seems kind of normal. Okay, that seems kind of normal. Yeah, that seems. How many times have I just said that? And that's another time. Okay. Really trying here, but should I stop with the pink? Like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts on each. Feel like the other part should be yellow, but of course I'm a little obsessed with pink, so I'm just using a lot of it. As in probably all of it. Don't worry, I'm not going to make the whole thing pink, but majority of the whole thing will be pink. Majority of it. I still have some left. For goodness sake, I still have some left. Let's break the tip off this one with the tip. Here. Oh, that sound. Prepare for the sound. Oh, that's kind of satisfying, honestly. I like that sound. I like it go. Yeah. Don't go overboard on this. Ooh, it's not yellow, it's gold. Thought it was yellow. It has a shimmer to it though. It can't be just plain yellow if it has a shimmer to it. Like, it would be really plain yellow if it was no shimmer to it, but it does have a really nice old shimmer. It looks gold, so I'm just gonna reference that as gold. Yeah. I can't really show you the template because issues with the template. Like, if I even turn it, everything's gonna spill. And yeah, I do not want to risk anything like I did last time. I do not want to risk anything. Maybe just, I need to get the parts that are not like the actual bolts out. Literally. Finally, I got the wings. Majority of this done, part of this done. Alright, now it says, okay, I need to fill this with water. What the heck? I messed it up. I messed up, I think. I think it will still work because both of these sides still need water. But I should have read the instructions. They didn't tell me to do the second one normally. I don't think this will affect. They both still need water, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, that seems fine. That seems fine. So, hold on, let me just fill this magic wand with water. Yeah, that does not seem that magical, but yes, we'll do that. That's important. I fill this to the best of my abilities, which is quite a lot. Has issues. Now I'm assuming like a really mild, gentle pour on each wing, and you have to wait 2 minutes for each wing to drop. So I'll do one, then the other. That's what it says, at least, I think. I'm not the best at instructions, so if you ever are doing a project with me or something, I think you guys might need to get the instructions. But I'm not the best at them. Alright, now let's see what's happening. It's doing that chain reaction, that chemical reaction that just makes it solid. Nice. It's gonna take a while. By the way, the colors are a lot more vibrant when I get water in them. Like before, they were like, pretty nice, cutesy pastel theme. It's a very cute pastel theme, but like, yeah, pastel theme. So yeah. Alright. I really hope this is, oh! No, I mixed like the water mixture with two parts. Let me just try to take that off. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's totally fine. Well, now wait 2 minutes. See you guys in 2 minutes. Yeah. 2 minutes have officially passed, and I was a little productive in the 2 minutes refilling this, because there was like such little water left, so it wasn't enough to do the next wing. So just refilled it. Yeah, let's water this down. Let's water this thing down. I'm really excited but nervous. Like I'm excited at the thought of seeing the results, but I'm also a little nervous because I feel like I might have done something, like a little imperfection stuff. I know it's a fine for imperfection, but I'm just worried it's gonna look really weird because of the colors got mixed together sometimes. In some areas, the colors are a little mixed. Let me just. And last section of this wing. Done. Oh wow. That took all of it. Barely even a little water is left. But this one I used slightly less, turns out. Anyway, see you in another 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes have passed. I was just lounging for a bit. Now it's 2. Why do I keep saying 2? I'm not revealing the time. It's a secret. Anyway, then, yeah. yeah, now what are the instructions? This seems pretty hard. Seems like the exact texture. Oh! Now they want us to put on the dress. It's fine, it's fine. This strap is like a backpack. Backpack sort of thing. So it's like, it's not actually a backpack, but like, it's required for the wings, I guess, fairy princess related stuff. Is it this way? Am I getting it wrong, or is it this way? I got it, it's this way, yay! Alright, got that, yay me! Alright, now what? Join the wings, you get the wings, and you can also put her on the yellow surprise doll. Alright, alright. Alright, that seems very cute. So I guess it just might be flying. Oh my god, what? There's so there's a little, that grimy powder stuff on the wing area, because there was color. It looks so cute though, the results that I made are adorable. Well, I got some of the stuff off. Alright, let's get the wings on. Do the work of getting the wings on. Getting them on the doll. She's pretty cute, but the wings. The wings. Are you sure this can support its own weight? Because it doesn't seem like it can. Doesn't really seem like it can. Doesn't seem like the wings can support their own weight. I'm just supposing that it'll. I swear to God, if these fall off and some of this grimy powder gets in like my room or something, I will be like, oh come on! I knew these wouldn't hold their weight. I'm assuming they do. Hopefully I'm right. I do not want the risking. Oh my god. Get the stuff on, girly, or the wings are gonna fall off of you. These are not natural wings, girl. Girly, do you know these are not fully natural? They're not even natural. Alright. Well, it seems so fully together, even though it's really not. Still adorable though. Like, look at her. She's vibing. She looks so cute, and look at this. Flop, 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 flop. It looks like she can fly, like, woo! Hey, get in the camera! Good job, good job. Anyway, yeah, okay, so I bet this is like display related. Like the last step is like really display related. Why not? Why don't we just do a little bit of display work? I mean, what's the big deal? What could go wrong with display deal? Actually, several things could go wrong, but like issues. Come on, bro, get on here. Yeah, you know when I said we'll do the display things, I am doing them still. Forgot I was not too. Oh! Oh, I get it. Display things. Bye-bye. Oh, these are cute. Dolly, get up properly. Sit up. Sit up. I get that the wings are kind of weighing you down, but like, you don't need to be weighed down just by. Oh my god, what have I done with the crown? Get on, you're a fairy princess. Look up. Look high. Look pretty. Look adorable. Alright, so goodness. Yes. This
final result. Was it worth it? Yes. It was indeed worth it. It looks so cute. I mean, the normal LOL would also look cute, but like the wings, they had such a big touch. And I think I made him adorable. I made him so cute. I made them so cute. Like, there's a good amount of pink in areas. There's some gold in some areas. It looks so cute. I love this. Ooh. Wow. You'll be sitting in the camera. Oh, what do you want to say to our fans? Oh, she's saying, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Oh, what else do you want to? Oh!